Watch me unbox the new 2024 iPad mini. There's a lot to love about this small but mighty iPad, but what has me really excited is now the mini is compatible with the Apple Pencil Pro. I've been using the Apple Pencil Pro for about 5 months now, and it really has changed the way that I make art in Procreate. So I'm really happy it's going to work with another iPad model. So let's talk about what's new. Of course, this iPad is the same portable factor that we love in an iPad mini. It's a really great device for art making on the go, but this version has the A17 Pro chip, which supports Apple Intelligence, so it's going to be a lot faster. How great is this color, by the way? The new iPad mini also comes in 2 other new colors, Starlight and this really beautiful blue. But I digress. This iPad is going to be a lot faster than the previous model. It's also got faster wireless connectivity. It's the same tech that you'll find in the iPad Air and the iPad Pro. And this new version has even more storage. It starts at 128 gigabytes all the way up to 512, which is like so much for this little tiny thing. So lots of space to store all your art files. So I think this iPad would be such a good choice for portable art making in Procreate. In fact, I'm heading on a trip to Oaxaca, Mexico for my birthday next week, and I'm excited to take this iPad mini with me as my on-the-go digital sketchbook. I love how small and light it is and how well it fits in my bag. And I get to use the Apple Pencil Pro with it. Sold. I love my iPad Pro and it's big screen, but it's a lot to have with me at all times. This iPad mini feels like a little mini sketchbook and I love it. I'm a huge fan of the Apple Pencil Pro, especially the barrel roll feature and how it lets me have even more control over my brush strokes in Procreate. In fact, I just designed an entire brush set to take advantage of those barrel roll capabilities. And here I am drawing some little daisies with one of the brushes. What do you think of the new iPad mini? Do you like the small size? Are you opting for something bigger? Let me know what you think. I'm excited to report back after my time in Mexico and let you know how it went using this little iPad mini on the go. Until then, happy art making!